Hello, sixth graders. Today in class we worked with combo meals and the distributive property. So I've got 4 different meal options up here on the top, and your job in each box down below is to both draw and write with letters, symbols, and numbers what the person is ordering. So for example, in the top box it says 2 orders for meal number 1. So I am going to circle meal number 1 and double check that's what it shows down here in the box. So it should be a burger, grab a different color here. It should be a burger, a fry, and a drink. That's great. So when I write this with distributive property notation, there's a 2 in the front because we want 2 orders. Inside the parentheses is what can be found inside that box for meal number 1. So what if I had 2 orders of meal number 1? If I had 2 orders of meal number 1, I'm going to just draw this, just a crude sketch. I'd have a burger and a fry and a drink. And I'd have that again. I'd have another burger. I'd have a fry and a drink. Then I'm going to put my box around it. Burger, fry, drink. Burger, fry, drink, just like in class today. Down below, here it is with letters. So first it says H for the hamburger, then it says F for the fry, then it says D for the drink. So now I'm just going to write out what I have in these pictures. Right? I have 2 hamburgers, 2 H, and I have 2 fries. So because I said and, I'm going to put a plus. And I have 2 drinks. There it is. 2D. This is it. That's all. I'm done. So what I'd like you to try to draw for the next one is 3 orders for meal 3. So that's what I have up here. If I zoom in on meal 3, in meal 3 there are 4 burgers and 2 fries. So down here, take a look at what I wrote. 4 burgers and 2 fries. So when I draw this, notice I gave you a little more space in this box. I'm going to draw the individual orders. So here's an order. Inside that, I need 4 burgers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 fries. This is my first order. You need 3 orders. So you're going to draw that for 3 orders, and then down here at the bottom, tell me how much you had all together. How many burgers, how many fries. All right, the second page is a little bit different, and in some classes I went over this, and in some classes I didn't. So I'm going to do the same problem, so that way nobody gets a head start. This time it says combine like terms to show how many of each item you would have for each order below. So in this box, I only want 1 order for meal 1. That's here. That's here. And I only want 1 order for meal 3. That's here. That's here. So if I ordered a meal 1 and I ordered a meal 3, I'm going to draw what I have again. So I have a burger. It's a little bit bigger. I have a fries. And I have a drink. All right. Then for the next one, because it's got a 4 in front, I have 4 burgers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 2 fries. 1, 2. Right? So all together, right, I have 5 burgers. Let me highlight those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write 5 H, 5 hamburgers. And, oh, sorry, not H. I'm going to draw the burger here. Sorry, the letters go down below. 5H, And I've got some fries. I have 1, 2, 3 fries. 3 fries. And there's still something else hanging out here in the first one, and a drink. Plus 1 drink. Or if you didn't want to have that one in front, it could be like this, right? Awesome. So if I have those two, there it is in picture form. 5 burgers plus 3 fries plus 1 drink. In letter form, now I'm just going to replace these symbols with what they are. So I'm going to write 5, and instead of drawing the burger, I'm going to write H for hamburger, and 3, and instead of drawing the fries, I'm going to write F, and I have a drink, so I could write 1 S for 1 soda, or I could just write S for the soda. Okay, so here you go. On the top, draw it out with symbols. I did it pretty fast. On the bottom, write it out with numbers, letters, and operations like the pluses. Give it your best shot for the second one on the second page, and for the second one on the first page. Good luck.